Alright, listen the hell up, cause we're about to drop into the quantum pit of pro-level graphics. Today it's the goddamn Fire Pro Trademark S400 synchronization module. You got a pile of GPUs chugging away and you think, hey, let's just slap these bastards together and make them render in harmony. Well, tough shit. It's pixel chaos out there unless you've got this magnificent chunk of circuitry keeping the whole digital circus in sync. So what the hell does this S400 actually do? Picture a bunch of monitors strung together, video walls, flight simulators, planetariums. You want every last frame to land like synchronized swimmers, not like a bunch of drunken flamingos tripping over themselves. The S400 is the drill sergeant barking orders, driving those cards to march in perfect goddamn unison. It blasts a timing signal, genlock, framelock, whatever the hell lock you want to call it, straight into your GPUs. That means every frame starts and ends at precisely the same moment across all your displays. No tearing, no stuttery bullshit, just buttery smooth visuals so flawless you'll weep. We're talking professional grade reliability here. NASA could launch spaceships off these frames, I shit you not. And let's jack up the nerd dial. This sucker also handles swap sync, so even if you're swapping between sick-ass content on massive multi-head display arrays, there's zero lag, zero scramble. Just seamless transitions that make you look like a technological wizard. Running high-res engineering models, medical imaging, data centers pumping out VR. Toss in an S400 and you're the goddamn maestro of visual orchestration. Bringing order to the digital chaos like Zeus with a graphics card Thunderbolt. In short, if you want your multi-GPU, multi-display setup to act like a team of elite snipers instead of a stampede of rogue elephants, the Fire Pro Trademark S400 synchronization module is your ticket to pixel fucking perfection. Now go blow some minds.